Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a tutorial about Warframe 1999, and in this video guys I'm going to share with you that how you actually can get the supporter pack guys for free. It works for any platform guys. This method I found it out. I did it for myself, so I decided to share with you for those who wants to do it. And it's very simple to do it. You just need to make sure you follow the video until the end guys. I'm going to explain all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also you how to do it on your own, okay? So just follow me guys until the end. I just need to turn the camera on the other side to explain all the steps you need to follow, okay? So as you can see guys, I have right here in front of you my iPhone. I suggest also you to grab your smartphone because you're going to need it in order to get a copy of the pack for free, as I mentioned before. It doesn't matter the device you are using, iOS or Android. The steps are going to be the same. So I'm just using iPhone because this is what I use. If you have Android devices, totally fine. Steps are completely the same, okay? So all you have to do guys, you just have to go to your internet browser and go and search about this site. It's called Lulu coupons.com, okay? So once you're gonna enter inside guys, you have a lot of other things you can check later. You can use the dark mode if you want here. All right, and then you have here the Warframe 99 and information about the support pack here, and this says it's a one-time use code, so show coupon code guys. You just need to wait so they make the checking of the coupons and the validity, and it looks like the code is still valid. So as you can see, it's locked, so we just need to get the full code guys here, and it's going to take you to this page guys when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code for free. So you just need to read the instructions guys. It's very simple to do it. It says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Warframe 99 complete collection support pack code. Do not use VPN or proxy. So all you have to do guys, you can have this list down below. As you can see, everything is for free. This is very important. You don't have to pay anything, and all the apps are from App Store and Play Store guys, so you don't have to do anything outside the official store. So you just need to choose these two apps to complete guys. Read the instruction. Every app have different instructions so you can complete it correctly, and try to choose which is not so difficult so you don't lose too much time, okay? So how it works guys, you just need to choose which you want to do it. You press on it, then unlock now. It's going to show you instructions all the time. For example, now it's going to redirect me to App Store because I'm using iPhone. If you're using Android, it's going to take you to Play Store. This app wants just to download it guys and to open it, so just need 1 second to put the Face ID. Oops, sorry. One more time. Here we are, and it's downloading the app, and we just need to open it guys and just keep it open for a couple of seconds. All right, so I'm going to do also the second one right now, okay? So as you can see, we get back here, and then we go again there. We can do copper. It's very simple. It says you just need to search in the App Store and to type tester app and just find Cooper guys, and just to install it the app. So search in App Store, so it's redirecting to App Store, type here tester app. All right, we find Cooper. Where is Cooper? Here it is. We download also Cooper, and then once it's done also Cooper, we just need to open it. Okay, here we are. We open also the Cooper, keep a couple of seconds as well. All right, so as you can see guys, the steps are not so difficult. You just need to choose which one app you want to do it. All right, so some there are games, some there are apps, and once you're gonna do it guys, this, you go back here. All right, go to the site again, and then you just have to go back, and as you can see, the code got revealed. You can copy the code and rate this button if you want this coupon. So this is it guys. I hope it was helpful and useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the like button. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be very happy to share with you everything you need to know extra. Thank you for watching guys. Cheers.